back with these two goons again. We got Andrew Loud2V on Instagram, and we got, you know, the infamous. All right, you're supposed to say your name.
Oh, hi.
Anyways, let's get on with this video. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video, and as you can see, it is raining here in Richmond, Virginia. So, you know, I thought today would be most appropriate to film this video you're about to watch.
Let us see!
But anyways, guys, no Mustang content today. We got Blue in the shelter, and oh my God, I'm gonna kill a cat. I am gonna kill that cat. All right, I'm really not gonna kill a cat. But God, come on, man, really on the blue paint? Anyways, guys, little recap. Go watch the last video. Part out car. If you want to buy the whole car, hit me up. I'll give you a good deal on it. We are hopping in the Camry because we are actually heading to a secret location. Oh, fuck. We are in the Coyote Swap twin turboed Camry. Get ready for this. Ready? Cold start. Okay, I'm out of breath. See you, Blue. Move your big old noggin, Ray. And we got good old Loud2V right there. I'm actually quite impressed. You brought it out in the rain.
Yeah, I got the new seats, so I had to
test them out.
Test them out. See
I hear you.
How they handle.
So, I mean, the viewers, this is the video after the redo, Blue. How you liking the seats?
I love them. So something I didn't realize, which I was telling you earlier, that just shifting, steering, just driving in general, everything is better. I feel more connected to the car.
Yeah.
I didn't expect that. I was just buying them so they would like hold me in tighter because the stock seats are like bench seats from the 1960s.
Yep.
And it was just great. I drove home yesterday and I was like taking turns at like 60 miles an hour and I was like, hugging
it, right?
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know, the stock GT seats, they have no like bucket foam in them. It's just pretty much like he said, seats from like the 70s, so yeah. Nothing really special. It's like honestly probably the same shape as these Camrys, and the Camrys might even have a little more bucket to them than the Mustang seats. Obviously he put the Corbus in and they look phenomenal, and like he just said, he's absolutely loving them. So I'm really excited to get my seats because I obviously got some Brom racing seats, and same thing, it's a reclining bucket seat. So I'm looking forward to that. But anyways, guys, as I was saying, you can probably tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, we are heading to RVA Imprints. And Matt with RVA Imprints is actually the guy that's gonna be responsible for all the DBP merch, such as the hoodies, shirts, and you know, future things to come. So you know, today is printing day. I'm really excited to get this done, so you know, I can actually release the brand to you guys, and there you go, DBP Squad is hooked up with some merch. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get there, and as soon as I do, we'll pick this vlog right back up. And we are back, and we finally made it to RVA Imprints. As you guys can see, this should be, you know, kind of familiar, but we're gonna go ahead and hook him up with the proper plug. So here we go, look at, he's doing it right. Got this big old decal on the rear window. RVA Imprints, screen printing, embroidery, and promotional items. Any of you guys need any work done, please feel free to hit them up. Tell him I sent you, and he'll definitely hook you up. Let's see what Matt's up to. What's up, man? What's going on? All right, well, let's see what Matt here has going on back in the shop. Obviously, we are here in RVA Imprints. This is our second or third trip, and right over here, he has the DBP Squad shirt. The first print on there, just a little test. But give you guys a little walk around again. This is where he obviously has his screens and uses this power washer here, and the pressure pushes out the screen, and this is how you get like a decal like this. Then, you know, he moves on with the screen to the print press, and it looks like we have a little test right here. And wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Check that out, guys. All right, so Matt over here is actually at the exposing station. Now how this works, he prints out my like stencil, and you put this on here and it exposes it, and as you can see, that's all black. So all the black left over, you can kind of see where it's soft still, and that's where the power washer will come into play. All he does is spray that out, and all the rest around it stays hard, and then good to go to start printing with it. And as you guys can see, all that other gunk just fell right out, and now we have a clear screening that will soon be dried and be ready to print.
Basically, once you print the first coat, the ink is tacky, so the ink's gonna try to pull the shirt up.
Oh, okay.
So this basically makes it so it's stationary, it doesn't move.
So for those of you that didn't know how exactly this works, you can see from this film here, this first one says just DBP, and obviously it's backwards, and you're probably wondering where the squad is. So how this works, since we're doing two different colors, he's gonna print that one in white, and then he's gonna come over to just the squad here, as you can see, and then literally it fits perfectly exactly where the shirt's at, and then squad will be in blue, so he doesn't have to keep switching and, you know, possibly use 2 different colors with one stencil, which would be a pain. So we're prepping up the screen printing press now with all the hoodies. Looks like that's what we're jumping into right away. So you guys are gonna see the process. It actually is really, really cool, and it's super quick. Like, he can bust out, how many are on here? Is it 6? So 6 hoodies at a time, and obviously if you have a big bulk order, that can go pretty quick. All right, so starting off with the first screen, we got the DBP, first thing of white ink, and then boom, there you go, you got the DBP right there. So now he spins it. He's gonna do all 6 of these first with the DBP, then he's gonna hop on the other screen, and then literally just keep spinning this around and apply the squad. So now switching to the blue screen, which is gonna be the squad, and as soon as he's done laying this first coat, you'll see exactly how it works. And there you go. So you got the white and DBP, and then the squad and the blue. So we're just gonna go through this process. You know, we have a lot of these things to do, and it's not really necessary filming every one of them, but we're gonna pick this right back up. All right, so the first 6 of the DBP squad hoodies ever are finally completed with the print. Now, there is gonna be a little twist with these, since they're the first 6, these are like the OGs of the hoodies. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and inside the tag, I'm gonna mark them 1 through 6, and I'm gonna have 1. So there's only gonna be 5 of them. We have them right here on the dryer. It's gonna run through and harden up that ink, because Matt actually said t-shirt ink does not like dry from the air, and he has some ink there from like 8 years ago that is still usable. So it's pretty impressive and really cool, but these look damn good. I wish you guys could see them in person right now. They looked good online, but as I was saying, they look even better in person, so it's super exciting. So it looks like we have our first hoodie that's gonna be coming out here shortly. As soon as this hoodie comes out, it's probably gonna be, you know, pretty warm, because this is a dryer that dries that ink at a high temperature, but we'll be good to mess with it and handle it around and see how it feels and all that jazz. And my oh my, I'm excited. There she is, the first one. We doing a little, you know, mom and pop printing, but your boy is about to print his own shirts ever. Well, hoodies. But this is the first time I've ever done screen printing, and it looks really cool. This is definitely stuff I like. I'm actually excited because I can actually say I printed some of my merch. Like, who gets to say that? You know, that's so cool. But he's loading it up, got some fresh hoodies here, and we're just gonna give it a go. Okay. It's probably funny to you, isn't it?
Hey, no, I mean, you're doing good.
Free labor. I can run this back, right? Is that what you do with this? This
yeah, you want to do it off the screen, off the shirt.
Okay, wait.
Pull it up, and then you can go ahead.
Oh, okay. So now we're on the second one. Yeah, it's definitely, to knock these out, I'd be here all day. Yeah, damn it, see, I'm fucking something up. I'm not getting it right. So I just screen printed my first hoodies ever, and honestly, this isn't something that you can just do right away and then perfect it. It definitely takes a lot of practice, and I'm gonna leave it to the professional over here because I didn't do too hot, to be honest with you. I mean, look, you guys can see, he's gonna clean it up. He knows what he's doing with that, but it's definitely a little skill to it. He can knock them out quick. I'll be here for 10 hours doing a batch of 60, so we're gonna let him continue and get back right to it. So we got the second batch of hoodies done. Now what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna switch the shirts right now. I wanna make this video for him, and if I literally sat here and waited, you know, just to film all the hoodies and then the shirts, it'd be a really long video. But yeah, we're gonna switch the shirts, see how those look. I'm gonna grab a couple, you know, so I can wear in the videos and show you guys, and honestly, they're turning out amazing. So, but as soon as he gets this prepped, we'll switch to the shirts and see how they turn out. It's the first shirt ever, and I got a feeling these are gonna look just as good as the hoodies. So we get the first round of white on there, and we'll hit this little time lapse. So we got Ray's shirt. If you guys want to see photos of her in this shirt, that's probably a horrible question. No, don't plug yourself. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on this video and go check out Matt on Instagram. It's gonna be linked on the screen right there, like right above my, yeah, you see that? Yeah, that's his Instagram account. And like I said, guys, when we were outside, if any of you guys need work, like these shirts are pristine, this is top quality stuff, and he definitely will work with you. Just tell him I sent you and get your shirts made, and we'll definitely be back. He's literally right down the street from my house, which makes it even better. And you know, it's awesome to know where your shirts are coming from, and like you guys just saw, make sure you guys go follow him and Support local businesses. All right, so obviously we got our first t-shirt, got the first hoodie in a large, so you know. So we gotta throw it on, see how it fits, and see how it looks most importantly. Oh, these are so soft. So good. My hair really jacked.
Yeah.
No. He's saying no, you're saying yeah. Which one is it?
I mean, I don't have hair, so I probably don't know.
Oh yeah. Fits like a glove. So here it is, everyone. The first DBP Squad hoodie, and I think they look damn good. Go sign up on that email listing. It's in the description, the link. If you don't do that, honestly, I don't think you're gonna have a chance to get one of these because there's only 60 hoodies, 60 shirts. We got 100 jet tags and we got 100 decals, so pretty limited right now, but we'll definitely be rolling here shortly. All right, so you guys just saw a little behind the scenes of the, you know, first release of the DBP merch. We got the hoodies, we got the shirts. I got mine too. You know, we're gonna be rocking these in some videos. Matt, thank you. I'll definitely leave your information as long in the description, and I know I just shouted out his Instagram, so please check him out, do business with him. He's definitely willing to work with anybody, and if you have any ideas or you want to pitch with him, he can help you out totally. But I think we're gonna get out of here, man. Leave the professional to it, because you know I suck horribly at screen printing. But the next time we come here, they'll be completed. We'll be picking them up and they'll be ready to rock and roll. But we gotta say bye to the doggy because he's been doing pretty good. Bye, Koa. Don't bark. Don't bark. I'm a good guy. Don't bark at me. You got a loud bark. See ya, Koa. All right, everyone, so as you guys can see, Andrew and I are back at my house, and I want to apologize. I was talking out in the driveway of RVA imprints, and my camera actually died because I'm a slacker and I didn't charge it. But anyways, you guys just got a little sneak peek of, you know, behind the scenes, as I said, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys are, but you know, I think it's about that time to wrap up the video. And remember, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, make sure you drop a comment with any questions and concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to 4.6 Chris. Make sure you go check out his YouTube channel and his Instagram. Go hook him up. And remember, if any of you guys want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, be sure to follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions, and really quick plug Andrew at Loud2V. So, but yes, make sure you use hashtag DBP Squad on all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video such as this one, I go to the hashtag on Instagram, find somebody that used it, and boom, shout out. But anyways, guys, like I said, I'm gonna wrap that up. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, please do me a huge favor, go sign up for the DBP Squad email listing if you guys want a chance to get one of these hoodies, a shirt, jet tag, decal. He signed up. Look, he just got some jet tags. Boom,
sweet,
boom.
right? Sweet,
Get the
right?
DBP Squad Dreamers jet tag. So if you guys want to check out what we have in store right now, follow the Instagram DBP_store. But I will see you guys Saturday with a fun video, so make sure you're there. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do?